On this new tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram swipe reply problem easily and fast. So all what you wanna do is very simple. First thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, go to the apps, go to the Instagram app, and then go to the notifications management. Scroll down, make sure that all the notifications are enabled, especially the notifications of the Instagram direct, as you can see. And then go back, go to the permissions, make sure right here that all the permissions are enabled, and then go back again. And last thing you want to do is open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, and then update your Instagram from here. That's it, guys. After that, it will get updated. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching this tutorial until the very end.